Kung naghahanap ka ng smartphone na unique, mabilis at may flagship-like features na hindi sobrang mahal, pasok na pasok si Nothing Phone 3A sa lineup. Siyempre, trademark ng Nothing ang transparent look at LED lights. Dito meron kang 3x rear LED lights, flip interface, mas simple kaysa Pro models pero still eye-catching. May IP64 rating pa. Ibig sabihin protected ka sa alikabok o ambon o tarsik ng tubig. Meron siyang 6.77 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display. May 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support at may up to 3000 nits peak brightness. Sa brightness pa lang panalo na. Usable sa ilalim ng araw at sobrang smooth na scrolling dahil sa 120Hz. Perfect for gaming, YouTube at binge watching. Powered by Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 plus Adreno 710 na GPU. Good for daily tasks, kaya ang most games sa medium to high settings. Hindi flagship level pero very stable at power efficient. With 8GB or 12GB of RAM, multitasking is smooth. Storage up to 256GB internal pero non-expandable. So piliin na agad ang tamang variant. May triple camera setup, 50MP main camera with OIS, 50MP telephoto camera plus 8MP ultra-wide camera. Sharp photos, maganda ang detail sa daylight. At may up to 4K at 30fps video recording. Sa selfie, meron siyang 32MP front camera, clear enough for social medias, pero max 1080p at 30fps video lang. Meron siyang 5000 mAh battery capacity kaya one full day heavy use. At meron siyang 50W fast charging. Sa connectivity, meron siyang 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, OTG, and USB Type-C. Sa Shopee, nasa 19,990 pesos ang kanyang starting price. Pero pwede pa siyang bumaba gamit ang vouchers. Ang Nothing Phone 3A ay perfect para sa mga gusto ng unique design, smooth display at solid performance para sa mid-range price.